Hello. Sanibona. Hi. Molweni. Dumelang. Dumela. Abusheni. Sawubona. Salibonani. Do you know that in South Africa, we speak 11 official languages? Your home language is one of them. I just said hello to you in all of our different official languages. Together, we are going to learn a new language. We are going to learn SeTswana. Yes, we are going to learn SeTswana. It will be fun. It is important to know another language. It is important to say hello and goodbye to our friends, family, and new people we meet. When we go shopping, we say hello and goodbye. I say hello and goodbye in SeTswana. Ahe is hello. Tsamaya sentle is goodbye. When we say hello, we can make friends. Let us make a new friend. I would like you to meet my friend, Pula the puppet. Her name is Pula. In SeTswana, I say, Lina la gagwe ke Pula. Hello, Pula. Ahe, Pula. Look at the children, Pula. Leba baratua, Pula. Say hello to the children, Pula. Ere ahe go barutua, Pula. You and Pula are going to be good friends. Pula loves children. But we have a small problem because Pula only speaks SeTswana. So we will learn how to greet Pula in SeTswana. Isn't that fun? Are you ready, Pula? Ana o siame, Pula. Pula says yes, she is ready. Are you ready, children? Are you ready, children? In SeTswana, we say eya. Say eya. Iring eya. Let me hear you say yes again. Nteke le utlwe le re eya gape. Say yes. Iring eya. Say eya. Good. Le dirile sentle. Let's start. A re simoleng. Hello, children. Ahe bana. Hello, Pula. Ahe Pula. Pula, say hello. Ere ahe. Hello, Pula. Dumela, Pula. Let's say hello to the children. Arere dumela go bana. Say hello. Ere ahe. Good, Pula. O dirile sentle, Pula. Children, now you say hello to Pula in SeTswana. Bana, yanong e reng dumela go pula. In Setswana, say hello. E reng age. Say age. E reng age. Good. Lo dirile sentle. Now, let's say hello to pula again. Yaanong, a re reng dumela go pule gape. This time, speak up so she can hear you. Now, let me say that in Setswana. Mo nakong e, buela godimo gore a le utlwe. Let's say hello. A re reng age. Say age. Good, children. Le dirile sentle bana. Pula, let's say hello to the children. Pula, e re age bana. Age bana. Good, Pula. O dirile sentle. Let's sing. A re opele. Let's first sing the song in English, then we will sing in Setswana. A re opeleng pina ya rona pele ka Sekgowa, re be re se opela ka Setswana. Good morning, say how do you do? Good morning, I'm fine, how are you? Wave left hand, wave right hand, say how do you do? Wave left hand, wave right hand, I'm fine, how are you? Lovely singing, children. Now, let's sing in Setswana. Le opela sentle bana. Yaanong, ga re bine ka Setswana. Dumela, dumela, o tsogile yang? Dumela, dumela, ke tsogile wena. Letsogo la molema, letsogo la moja. Nna ke tsogile, wena o tsoga yang? Letsogo la molema, letsogo la moja. Nna ke tsogile, wena o tsoga yang? Lovely, children. Now, let's sing it again. Yaanong, re opela gape. Dumela, dumela, o tsogile yang? Dumela, dumela, ke tsogile wena. Letsogo la molema, letsogo la moja. Nna ke tsogile, wena o tsoga yang? Letsogo la molema, letsogo la moja. Nna ke tsogile, wena o tsoga yang? In Setswana, we say hello in the morning. Re re dumela mo mosong. Pula, say hello. Pula, e re dumela. Dumela. When we greet somebody in the morning, we say dumela. Dumela. Now, children, you say dumela. Bana, e reng dumela. Well done! O dirile sentle. Hello, Pula. Dumela, Pula. Dumela, morutabana. Good, Pula. O dirile sentle. Let's say hello to the children. A re dumela go bana. Say hello, children. E re dumelang bana.
Dumelang bana.
Good, Pula. O dirile sentle, Pula. Children, let's say hello to Pula. Say dumela, Pula. Bana, a re reng dumela go Pula. E reng dumela, Pula. Good, children. Le dirile sentle bana. Let's read. A re buiseng. When Pula says hello to all of you, she says dumelang. But when you say hello to her, you must say dumela. Children, now say hello, Pula. Yanong bana, ere dumela, Pula. Say hello, Pula. Ere dumela, Pula. Good, children. Le dirile sentle. Let us read. A re buiseng. In SeTswana, we say hello in the afternoon. Ra re dumela mo mosong. Pula, say hello. Pula, ere dumela.
Dumela.
Children, say hello. Bana, ere dumela. Children, say dumela. Well done. O dirile sentle tota. Good night, Pula. Dumela, Pula.
Dumela morutabana.
Good, Pula. O dirile sentle, Pula. Let's say hello to the children. A re dumela go bana. Say hello, children. E re dumelang bana.
Dumelang bana.
Good, Pula. O dirile sentle, Pula. Children, let's say hello to Pula. Bana, a re reng dumela go Pula. Say hello, Pula. E reng dumela, Pula. Good, children. Lo dirile sentle bana. Let's read. A re buiseng. Dumela. Dumelang. In SeTswana, we say hello at night. Re re dumela mo thapameng. Pula, say good night. Pula, ere dumela. Dumela. Dumela.
Dumela.
Children, say hello. Bana, ere dumela. Dumela. Good. Hello, Pula. Dumela, Pula. Children, in SeTswana, we say hello in the morning, in the afternoon, and at night. In English, we say good morning in the morning, we say good afternoon in the afternoon, and we say good night at night. But in SeTswana, it is easy. We just say hello. Ka SeTswana, go bonolo. Re re fela dumela. Let's say good night to the children. Say good night, children. A re reng lalang sentle go bana.
Lala sentle bana.
Good, Pula. O dirile sentle. Children, let's say good night to Pula. Bana, a re reng lala sentle go Pula. Say good night, Pula. E reng lala sentle Pula. Good. Well done, children. Le dirile sentle. Pula, let's sing our song again. Pula, a re opele pina ya rona gape. Listen carefully and follow the actions. Retsa ka tlhafalo, mme o latele dikai. We will sing it first in English and then in SeTswana. Ro go bina pele ka Sekgowa, mme re tla bina ka SeTswana. Good morning, say how do you do? Good morning, I'm fine, how are you? Wave left hand, wave right hand, say how do you do? Wave left hand, wave right hand, I'm fine, how are you? Now, we will sing in SeTswana. Yanong, ro go opela ka SeTswana. Dumela, dumela, o tsogile yang? Dumela, dumela, ke tsogile wena. Letsogo la mo lema, letsogo la mo ja. Nna ke tsogile, wena o tsoga yang? Letsogo la mo lema, letsogo la mo ja. Nna ke tsogile, wena o tsoga yang? Very good, children. Le dirile sentle. We are going to sing the song again in SeTswana. Ro go opela pina ya rona gape ka SeTswana. Dumela, dumela, o tsogile yang? Dumela, dumela, ke tsogile wena. Letsogo la mo lema, letsogo la mo ja. Nna ke tsogile, wena o tsoga yang? Letsogo la mo lema, letsogo la mo ja. Nna ke tsogile, wena o tsoga yang? Well done, children. Le dirile sentle tota. We are going to play a game called Stand Up and Say Hello. Re a go tshameka metshameko e bidiwang ema mme o re age. Children, please all stand up. Hold hands and make a big circle. Bana, tswetswi emang lotlhe. Le tshware ka diatla, mme le age sediko se segolo. Now, sit down. Yaanong, dulang fatshe. Listen carefully and follow the instructions. Retsang sentle, mme le latele ditiragantsho. Stand up, and say hello. Emma, mme o re age. Say hello. E re age. Stand up and turn around. Emma, dikologa. Reach up to the sky. Go leletsa matsogo godimo kwa loapeng. Reach down and touch the ground. Inamegela fatshe, ama lefatshe. Now, sit down. Dula fatshe. And say goodbye. Wave goodbye. Iring salang sentle. Sadisa sentle ka go dira diatla. Now, let's play the game in SeTswana. Watch me and carefully copy what I do. Ere age. Emma, dikologa. Go lelatsa matsogo godimo kwa loapeng. Inamegela fatshe, ama lefatshe. Dula fatshe. Ere salang sentle. Sadisa sentle ka go aga diatla tsa lona. That was such fun. Go ne go le monate. Ke rata lo ya gae. Mme le re age go mongwe le mongwe ye le kopanang le ena. Say goodbye when you leave. Ere sala sentle fa o tsamaya. It is time to say goodbye. Until next time. Bula, say goodbye to the children. Dumedisa bana.
Tsamaya sentle bana.
Children, now you say goodbye to Pula. Say, tsamaya sentle Pula. Ere, tsamaya sentle Pula. Good. Le dirile sentle bana. Children, now you have to say goodbye to me. Say, tsamaya sentle morutabana. Ereng, tsamaya sentle morutabana. Thank you, children. Goodbye, children. Tsamaya sentle bana.